All right. Would you tell me one more time? Tell me your name and your teacher and what school you go to.
Okay. Hi, my name is Claire Burlier, and my first grade teacher is Mrs. Cheney, and I go to Mapledale Elementary.
And Claire thinks she's already started here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, but she's already started to see if she can be building the impossible bridge. So keep going, and I'll move in a little closer, and I'll see if I can get this.
And you get a glance at what's coming.
Oh, holy cow! Whoa! That was very slick.
It's halfway broken.